Hey guys! In this video series, we cover all features of Turbosubdomains plugin. Ideal for both old and new users, it ensures quick mastery of all functions. It's easy to use and intuitive, so you'll be up and running in no time. We have made some massive upgrades to the plugin and added in some new features to help you build an even stronger website. With these new additions, you'll have everything you need to create a truly powerful PBN site that can stand up to any competition. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Welcome to the Turbosubdomains tutorial. So, we are in the WordPress dashboard. You can see the Turbosubdomains tab in the left menu bar. When you click on the tab, you will see the license page. For the first time, you need to enter the license word to be able to use the plugin. After you are done with the license details, you will see the general settings. You can use these settings to your best interest. Here we see API settings, feed settings, Cloudflare settings, spinner settings, subdomain settings, OpenAI settings, SEO settings, and spinner database. Let's see the API settings first. We can manage all the API key related settings here. Let me explain all the settings here one by one. The first setting we see here is for News API. Google Translate API helps you translate all the available languages according to your need. You can select your preferred language from the drop-down here. News API is the source of the latest news articles from a number of news websites all over the world. The API here helps you fetch articles from various news websites and post them into your own subdomain PBN network. Next setting is for OpenAI. With OpenAI key, you can use the power of ChatGPT to improve the content quality of your articles. You can insert your OpenAI API key here. The next setting is for Spin Rewriter. Spin Rewriter is a text spinner to spin the text. You can enter your Spin Rewriter account email and the key here. WordAI is another text rewriter available here to use. Enter your WordAI email and the key here, and you are done. Next is the YouTube API setting. The plugin can fetch the YouTube videos and use them for creating articles. YouTube campaigns in the plugin use the video description as content of the articles and embed the video to the article. Pixabay is the source of royalty-free stock images that can be used as feature images in your posts. Enter your Pixabay API here, and you are done. Unsplash is another source of royalty-free stock images. When Pixabay is not used, or the plugin couldn't find images for a keyword on Pixabay, it then tries to get them from Unsplash. Cloudflare integration is necessary for creating subdomains. The plugin works only with Cloudflare, because all the DNS of the subdomains are managed by Cloudflare. Just fill the required data here, and the plugin will start using the Cloudflare to create the DNS records. You can also remove the Cloudflare settings, or verify the authentication using these buttons. Cloudflare integration is necessary for creating subdomains. The plugin works only with Cloudflare, because all the DNS of the subdomains are managed by Cloudflare. If you want to fetch the content from the content generators, like SEO Content Machine and Article Forge, then check this checkbox, and select your favorite tool. Fill the required details, and hit the Save button. After making all the changes in the above fields, hit the Save button at the bottom. You have saved the settings successfully. That's all in the API settings. Let's see feed settings in the next video.